Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen, Cooking with Chef Gerald. For today, my highlight is about chicken. If you wanted to learn how to make a crispy fried chicken, so this recipe is for you. Always a picnic favorite, this deep fried chicken. It's a delicious recipe, either hot or cold. A fried chicken is a dish consisting of chicken pieces which have been coated in a seasoned butter and fried, or can be deep fried, or sometimes they cook through pressure cooker or pressure fried. Breading adds a crisp coating or crust to the exterior of the chicken while retaining juices in the meat. So for today's recipe, so what are the ingredients of our crispy fried chicken? Of our recipe ingredients, we have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 3 teaspoons of pepper, which is divided, 1 piece of large egg, 1 and 1/2 cup water, 1 teaspoon of salt, this of okay, oil for our deep pan frying. So these are the basic ingredients in making a crispy fried chicken without using of the commercial breadings. So first is the flour. So lagay natin yung flour on a large bowl. Okay? And mix all the dry ingredients for the breadings. So aside from the flour, so I have to add this salt. Okay? And then our garlic powder. I use garlic powder. And our paprika. This is a hot paprika. And some parts of our pepper. I use the white pepper. And so we have to mix it. For our breadings. Okay? So this is for our breadings. This is just the same with the commercial breading mix that we buy in the market or in the grocery stores. But I really appreciate doing the breading mix. Okay? After this breading mix, we have to make a butter for our chicken. Okay, so I'm done. So we have to set aside. So for the butter of our chicken, so we need water, eggs, and some part of the dry ingredients. So first, the egg. So we need to cut the egg. Then cut in yung egg. After beating the egg, so add water. So add natin yung ating water. Okay. And then some part of the ingredients, which is the garlic powder. So, kanina, some of our ingredients, no, we separate half. Okay? And then, our salt. So, lagyan natin ng salt. Just to flavor also. And then, white pepper. Okay. And then, mix all together. For mixing, we had pork. Okay? So let's mix it together again. Ayan. And then I also have the prepared chicken. Actually, this chicken is already marinated with oil. Minarinate ko siya kanina ng oil, salt and pepper. Okay, it's already marinated with salt and pepper. Why do I need to marinate it with oil? Okay, oil breaks down the protein in the chicken, which creating a tender meat. The oil breaks down the protein in the chicken, which creating a tender meat. Pag we're done with our butter mixture, and then we can add this butter mixture to our chicken. So I already add this. So we have to mix this. So ano na lang natin siya, coat natin mabuti. So since already this is already marinated. So habang hinalo natin siya, we have to heat our fire. Okay, so while mixing this, habang hinihintay natin na ka-marinate ito, so I already set the wok for our frying. Ask me, what should I use for frying? For me, I use canola oil, corn oil, or even vegetable oil. Okay? So these kinds of oil have a higher smoke points, which makes them ideal for frying chicken. Okay? If you want to explore some oils, okay, learn more about selecting the right oil for you, especially in frying. So you have to marinate this. I told you it is already marinated, and then we have to go with the batter mixture. And after the batter mixtures, I have to again this with the breadings. Okay, I have to heat our oil at least when mainit, because kapag hindi siya mainit bago natin siya ipiprito, it will not become crispy. We are done with this, so we can get this one. So, ganyan natin siya with our breadings. So, ito, masarap siya. Magiging ano to, parang fried chicken ng Jollibee, McDonald's, or some other fast food. Then we have to low fire. So para hindi masunog yung ating breadings. So pre-chop our chicken using of a thermometer. If you don't have a thermometer, so of course the color of the breading is golden brown. So do not overcook the chicken kasi kapag na-overcook ang chicken, nawawala yung kanyang juice. Okay, so this is a crispy fried chicken. Those who not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my updated videos. And comments or questions, please write your questions and comments below.